Hi and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to activate the turbo mode on the Ultimate 2C controller from 8Bitdo. So what you have to do is press down and hold the button that you want to activate turbo mode on. Then you're going to press the start button next to the start button, and you're going to see an indicator that shows you that when you're holding down the button, it's shooting repeatedly that key. Whenever you're going to press it, the light is going to indicate that it's going to repeatedly do that action for you in the game. Now, if you want to deactivate it, you have to press and hold, and again press the start button. Now you can see that the indicator turned off, therefore the turbo mode is disabled. Now, if you want to activate the turbo mode automatically so that you don't have to press down your button, then you press and hold and press the start button 2 times in a row. Now when you release the button, you're going to see the indicator light showing you that the button is being shot repeatedly all the time. Now if you want to stop it, you will press and hold and press the start button 2 times. And now when you release it, you're going to see that the light stopped blinking. I hope that this was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and dropping me a like or a silly comment. It really helps me out. That's it. See you next time.